Hey everybody, it's a new video of my 2022 Camry Trd. Just want to show you guys on how you can start your vehicle with a remote start. If anybody doesn't know, first you have to activate your OnStar. I'm guessing it's like an OnStar. You have to go through the app, Toyota app Connect, and then you have to call that number. You gotta push on it once you activated the Toyota app on your phone. That's what you have to do first, and then you have to go through your trial for the free trial, and then after that's finished, then your vehicle you have to wait like 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then your vehicle's ready and you can have an auto start. So this is how you do it if you guys want to go ahead and try it out. But that's the first step you guys have to do. First, you have to hit the lock button, 1, 2, and then unlock. And then you have to keep it. You have to hold it. So no, I'm sorry. So 3 times the lock. I did it wrong. So it's 1, 2, and then the third one you hold it. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Then you hold it. Okay, I want to start for some reason. So 1, 2, 3, and then hold. One, 2, and hold on the third one. See now. There we go. All right, so I'm guessing it's 3 times. I'm not sure why you didn't want to start, but it's 1, 2, 3, and then you have to hold it. And then turn it off. You just hit unlock. So basically, 1, 2, and then you hold the third one, and then the lights will be flashing. There you go. Okay. And then turn it off, just hit the unlock. Okay, let's try it one more time. Lock. Lock. And then lock. And then hold it. Okay, 1, 2, and then you hold on the third one. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, hold on the third one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hold on the third one. You gotta hold it. Huh. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. All right, guys, that's how you do it. You just gotta click 3 times and hold it on the 3rd one. Eventually it'll start, but there it is, guys. It's 2022 Camry Trd. It's a little dirty right now. We gotta get it washed. That's how you start with the remote. But that's how you, like I said, you have to download the app first, and then you gotta call through the system inside, and then they should be able to activate it, and then you'll be set to go. All right, guys, have a good day. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.